Do you know that your words are mightier than the sword? What you say or what you write can have more effect than if you walked around trying to start war. But here's the problem. Most people are using their words to hurt themselves. Some of you are killing yourself with your words. These are people who are quick to insult people, to talk behind people's back, to hate on people, and using their mouth as a weapon and is firing back at you and killing you. There are people who are losing their lives every day because they go out there and diss someone, insult someone. There are people who lose their job because of what they say. There are people out there right now who have weaponized their mouth against themselves. So you better be careful what you're saying, how you're using your mouth. So go out there and learn how to speak properly and use your words to empower yourself, to get your career going, to make sure that your success is coming to you, not killing yourself.